Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This will be a very quick and easy simple orange halo eyeshadow tutorial. If you want a simple halo eye look tutorial, then please continue watching. As my makeup palette, I'm using Nika K palette spiced up. The first eyeshadow would be this orange. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my crease. Move the brush back and forth. I'm using flat fluffy brush from pack. It is 346. Move the brush back and forth. Move in circular motion for smokiness. Next I'm picking deeper orange eyeshadow which is beside first eyeshadow that I packed. I'm applying on my outer V. Apply the same on inner. Mix both. Mix them with the crease eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth on crease. Next I'm using this chocolate brown eyeshadow to deepen the outer V. Pack a little on inner and outer corner and begin blending. Next I would be using the shimmery eyeshadow on my eye mid. Do not cross your mid crease, keep it within the crease. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Here push towards the inner to blend it with the inner eyeshadow. Next I'm highlighting. I'm using a liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel, but I'm using liquid eyeliner wand. Place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Remove the excess and begin highlighting your mid crease. Next I would be applying winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner to create winged eyeliner.
Make me feel like this.
After this, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Be very careful when you're creating pointed inner corner and make sure to keep the point sharp. It's very important for your pointed inner corner to be sharp. Your eye makeup looks very beautiful if your pointed inner corner is very sharp. Next, after coating kajal on my waterline, I'm smudging the kajal. After smudging my lower lash line, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your upper and lower lashes well using mascara. Hold the wand vertically for lower lash mascara application and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this quick and simple orange halo eye makeup tutorial, if you found this tutorial helpful, if you found this tutorial easy, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.